ready to unlock a world of rewards and build your credit with the Discover card. Let's dive into the simple steps you need to take. First, ensure you meet the basic eligibility criteria. Generally, you'll need to be at least 18 years old, have a U.S. mailing address, and a valid social security number or individual taxpayer identification number. While Discover doesn't publish a specific credit score requirement, having a good credit history will significantly increase your chances of approval. Now, let's get to the application itself. Head over to the Discover website and look for the Apply Now button. You'll typically find options for various Discover cards, like the Discover IDA Cashback, Discover IDA Chrome, or Discover IDA Secured Card. Choose the one that best fits your financial needs and goals. The online application is straightforward. You'll need to provide personal information such as your full name, date of birth, address, and contact details. Be prepared to enter your social security number and declare your income, employment status, and housing situation. This information helps Discover assess your creditworthiness. While most applications can be completed without uploading documents, it's wise to have some identification handy, like a driver's license or passport and proof of income. If requested for secured cards, you'll need to be ready to make a security deposit. After submitting your application, Discover will typically review it quickly. Many applicants receive a decision within minutes, although some may take a few business days. If approved, your new card will be mailed to you, usually arriving within 7 to 10 business days. Applying for a Discover card is a great step towards building credit and enjoying valuable rewards. So, gather your information and start your application journey today.